Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Genially presentation. So once you've registered and you're ready, you need to click on create Genially. And in this case there are lots of templates, but we're going to choose blank creation and then horizontal infographic in this case. All right. So once you have it, and this is your Genially here. Okay, you see this toolbar on the left. We will start with the background today. When you click on background, you have a few options. First is the canvas and then the base, but today we'll just change the canvas. You scroll down, you've got colors, so you could click on colors for your background, but I will choose one from the library that is here. You could always click on show more and you've got more here. Okay, but let's go back. Okay, I'm happy with my background, so I will start editing and adding text. So if you click on text and you choose one of these titles, you can just edit this text box. Okay, and this will be all about me. I will change the font here, and there we go. This is one of my favorite ones. No, it's not really a good one, and this is much better. I will change also the size of this here, and I will move it up here. Okay, then the next thing I want to show you is images. There are lots of images here that you can choose from. If you want to search for an image, you can always do it. I'm a fan of basketball, so I will include it in my All About Me Genially. So there you go. You can change the size and move it. I will go back and I want to add text because we want to combine images and text. So this one here, and I would say I am a fan of basketball. All right, I will make it smaller because it looks nicer here, and I want to change the color this time, and you do it right here. There you go. Okay, I'll put it next to it, and I will continue with resources. Resources, there are lots of icons that you can use and shapes. You can click on it and add them. I want to add the earth here because I also love traveling, so I will add that text box here. There you go. I love traveling. Remember, you use ing after love or like. And let's change the color again. There you go. Okay, and now I've got a few things about me here. So now the next thing we'll add is something from interactive elements here. You've got lots of options. You can always scroll down, but today we're going to use our buttons here. And I want to choose, for example, the eye. Okay, I can change the color of this icon up here. I'll make it blue and I will place it here. And now what we're going to use is this interactivity option. So if you click on that mini hand, you can add some things. I want to add a tooltip now to show you. And this is like a secret message. Okay, so thanks for clicking here, for example. Okay, let me move myself up here now to save this. And here it is. So see if you preview your Genially here. See what happens when you're when you're on it. Your tooltip shows up. Okay. So one last thing I want to show you. So that's interactivity. Imagine that I want to use this animation tool. So if you click on something and click on animation, you will see this, and now what you have is some options here. We're going to learn entrance now. So this is how this basketball will enter into Genially, and I will choose now, for example, bounce back, and I want it to bounce back after, imagine, 2 seconds. So now when I'm happy with it, I go back, clicking anywhere, and I will preview it again, okay? So let's see now, and you see it's not there, and now it bounces back, okay? So that's animation. And now, if you want to share the Genially, you should click here in all set. Well, I clicked before, so you don't have it, but when you click on share, you'll have these options, and I want you to share the link. Okay, so if you copy the link here, if you click on copy, you could paste the link anywhere. You can send it to me or put it on Classroom. All right, and that's our Genially, all about me Genially. I'm looking forward to seeing yours. I hope this was helpful, and see you in class.